Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, my dear students? Hope you will be perfectly all right. Great. Now today I will deliver the second lecture of English for class nursery, and the topic of the lecture is letter B, reading plus writing. Today we will do the same work just like the previous work. So first we will do the reading and second we will do the writing. Now let's take a start for the lecture. First, you can tell me which letter we have done in the previous one. Yes, letter A. We have done letter A in the previous lecture. And can you tell me about that sound? Good. A, 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 A. Excellent. Now today we will do the next letter. Can you tell me what comes after letter A? Great! Letter B. Wow! This is letter B. This is a lowercase. This is a small b. Yes, you can say it on the screen. Letter B. Good. And what is the sound of this letter? Excellent! B. 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 It has a soft and short sound. B, 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 B. Now we will discuss the vocabulary of this letter. Yes. You can see this picture. What is this? Ball. Excellent. This is a ball. We use it for playing cricket. Very good. Now you can say it. The first letter of ball is B. B, B, ball. B, B, ball. Great. Ball. Great. Now come to the next picture. Wow. Book. This is a book. Excellent. And the first letter of this word is B. B, B, book. B, B, book. We use a book for the reading. Good. Now come to the next picture. Yes. What is this? What is this? This is a bag. Good. Now the first letter of this word is B. B, B, bag. B, B, bag. We use a bag for putting books. Good. Now next is, yes. Can you see this? Yes. This is the next picture. And what is this? Bat. This is a bat. And the first letter of this word is B. B, B, bat. B, B, bat. Excellent. Great. We have done the first part here. Now get ready for the next part. Instructions for writing. Okay. First, I will discuss about this line pattern. Okay. Now first is, yes, which line is this? Top line. Good. Now next is middle line. Now next is base line. And the last line is lower line. Good. Okay. Now students, how you will do small b on this line pattern? How you will write it? Okay. Now first you will make a straight line and the last line is lower line. Good. Okay. Now students, how you will do small b on this line pattern? How you will write it? Okay. Now first you will make a straight line between top and base line like this. First, you will start from the top line, come down, make a straight line and touch the base line. Now next is here you will make a clockwise circle with this straight line. Okay, first of all, you will make a straight line like this, top to base. Now here you will do overlapping like this, and now you will make a clockwise half circle. Now this is letter B. This is letter B. Letter B. This is a small b. And the sound of this letter is B. 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 Okay. Now here, first of all, you will trace this B just like me. Okay. Now put the pencil on the top line. Now you will connect all the dots in proper way like this. Yes, now overlap it. Very good. And make a clockwise half circle. This is letter B. This is small b. Very well done. Okay, now next, again, you will trace this letter. Very well done. Okay, now next, again, you will trace this letter. Yes, perfectly. You will do it. Now start from the top line. Very good. Come down like this. Touch the baseline. Now you will do overlapping here like this. And now you will make a clockwise half circle. This is letter B. Excellent. Okay, students. Now you will trace this letter B with the help of your finger. Okay, take out your finger, one finger. Hurry up. Now put your finger on your mobile screen. Very good. Now trace with me. First, you will draw a straight line like this. Now you will do overlapping, and now you will make a clockwise half circle. Excellent. Very good. Now I will write small b without dots. Okay. Look at me carefully, please. And now here, yes. Now for small b, I will take start from the top line. First, I will draw a straight line and touch the baseline. Now, I will do overlapping like this. And here, I will make a clockwise half circle. Yes, this is letter B. This is small b. Okay, again. I will take start from the top line. For small b, I will take start from the top line. First, I will draw a straight line and touch the baseline. Now, I will do overlapping like this. And here, I will make a clockwise half circle. Yes, this is letter B. This is small b. Okay, again. I will take start from the top line for small b like this. First, you will make a straight line like this and touch the baseline. Now, overlapping these two lines, and here you will make a clockwise half circle. This is letter B. This is small b. Very good. Now students, get ready for a game. Are you ready? Excellent. Great. Now, here you can see I have a box. And And what is the color of this box? Yes, can you tell me? What is the color of this box? The color of this box is brown. Brown. And the B is the first letter in brown. B, brown. Good. I have a brown box here. Okay. Now I have some objects which have in different colors. So I will put those objects which are in brown colors. Okay. Now first I will take the first object in front of you. Yes, what is this? Very good. This is a flower. This is a flower. And what is the color of this flower? Is it in brown color? No. It is not in brown color. Okay, so we will not put this flower inside this box. Okay, now come for the next object. Yes, what is this? This is our note diary. And what is the color of this diary? Yes, the color of this diary is brown. So we will put this diary inside this brown box. Brown. Okay, now I will take the next object. Yes, what is this? Yes, this is a block and the color of this block is not brown. So we will not put this block inside this box, okay? Because it has green color. Right? Okay. Now I will take the next object in front of you. Wow. This is a hairbrush. What is this? This is a hairbrush. And the color of this brush is brown. Great. So we will put this brush inside this brown box. Clear? Okay. Now I have another thing. Yes. What is this? This is a toy. Yes. This is a spoon. Okay. And the color of this spoon is not brown. This is an orange spoon. Okay. It has orange color. So we will not put this spoon inside this brown box. Okay. Now I have done this activity. Okay. Now we will do another interesting activity. Wow. Can you see it? Wow. Okay. It's mean we will write letter B. Yes, I have a brown pencil. I have a brown pencil. Okay. Now for this pencil, I will write small b inside this brown balloon. Yeah, like this. Good. Okay. This is not in brown color. So, yes, next one. Yes, this is in brown color. So, I will write letter B inside this balloon. Like this. Excellent. Balloon and brown. Yes. Now we have done it. Okay, student, this is your home task, your home assignment. Okay, you will do this letter and I will ask about this in the next lecture. Okay. Okay, respected parents, you will prepare a sheet for this work, for this letter. First, you will prepare this line pattern for the tracing, and then here student will write this letter independently. Okay, you will not put any dot for the writing. You will give just instruction for the writing to the students, and students will do it independently. And at the end of this page, you will prepare this type of activity for the students. Okay? Okay, Ji, the lecture has been done here. I hope you enjoyed a lot. We will meet again with the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.